Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I am working on a journal page in my Dylusions journal. I have 6 of the Dina Wakley gloss sprays and thought I would try them out. Oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun with them. I have a set of 6, and 2 of those colors that I used right there was Marine and Night, and then I did the titanium white, or white. I saw this technique, somebody demonstrated it on YouTube and thought it was so much fun I wanted to give it a try. And it's where you spray colors down, and then anywhere that they haven't hit a contrasting color you spray, and then it will absorb where the paper is. And that was olive, by the way. And then you just lift and there you go. See, you have your yellow walking man. I didn't have paper towel, so I'm using toilet paper because I really wanted to try this technique and I didn't have a paper towel. I think it was a little too absorbent, or maybe I didn't wait long enough before rolling it over there. So I decided to put my mask down again. I do want to warn you, if you use magazine page or paper for a mask, or regular paper, if it gets sprayed too much or spray gets underneath it, between it and the journal page, it will stick like glue, so be careful. This was kind of a stiff magazine page, so it worked a little bit better, really glossy. Anyway, so I'm just adding some more because I didn't like the white that was left. So I just add, just like go on dry a little bit, and then lightly dabbing this time, hoping that I don't end up lifting all the color back off. There we go. I actually really like the mask with all that blue paint once it dries. It's really cool. I was thinking I would try and include it on this page, but it just kind of disappeared, and I really liked it and I didn't want it to disappear completely. So I still have him. He'll go somewhere. Now I wanted to put a word or something on that page, so I have some letters and I wanted to spray them, so I figured I might as well just put them in my Dylusions journal and spray over them and do the same technique. So that's what I'm doing here. And that purpley color is eggplant. And so I did marine, eggplant, night, and white. And I think it's really cool how it turns out. It's really spacey. The letters I'm using are from Heidi Swapp, I believe. Had them for quite a while. They're designed to spray her sprays on, and then there's like a resist, so that's the circles you're seeing on there is a resist. But isn't that cool? Oh, I think the background is so cool. Anyways, I just had those stuck with a little bit of tape to hold them down. Just some painter's tape. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, only this time I am using cheddar, I believe. Oh no, that looks like that's olive. Okay. I stuck with olive because it looks quite yellow. And then rolling with my toilet paper. It's not absorbing quite as much as it did the last time I tried this, so this is better. And the camera just doesn't do it justice. I just love that background. Alright, so back to the original page, and we're going to add these letters. I do go around the edges with black marker, just because. But I won't make you watch that whole process. So yes, I only have 6 of her sprays. I want to get all, I think she has 12 out right now. I want to get all of them. I've gotten spray on everything. I have a pencil that's covered in spray. I had to seriously clean my cell phone. I thought it was out of range, but apparently not far enough. Okay. So now we've got those. I'm just going to stick them on. They're self-adhesive, like stickers. Hopefully they will stay on. I pulled out the ruler because I was going to try and use that to keep my letters straight, and then changed my mind. Decided I would just eyeball it. It's a little off, but it's not too bad. Like that U got a little low. And once they're stuck, they're stuck. At least on the paper portion. Alright, so once I get done sticking those letters down, I'm gonna just do a scribbly outline of our figure, just to give him a little bit more definition, make him look more important, I guess. And I'm just using just a real fine point pen. I can't remember which one that is. Just pulled it out of my box of pens. Alright, so this part, I have sped this way up because the struggle was real. I wanted to do some drips, and I have some really old pink Dina Wakley paint that I wanted to have drip down from the letters. And I tried the pipette. It wasn't working for me. So I just grabbed the paintbrush, scooped it on there so I could get some volume, and then I try to make it drip with the pipette. And you know, every time I do drips, I don't like it. I like it when I see people do drips. Why? I don't know why. I just can't get it the way I want it to go. I'm probably using the wrong kind of paint, or I don't know. Anyway, so I go through this whole process of adding this pink, and I decide to spray it to get it to run a little bit more, and then I spray it even more, and then I just start blotting it because I wasn't happy with it. I go all the way up. I'm like, yeah, just blot it, spray it, blot it, spray it. It does make it a little bit more interesting. The contrast, I'm not sure that you'll be able to tell once it dries. The contrast, that's a little bit more flat than the gloss sprays, so it makes kind of an interesting contrast that way. I got a little bit of paint on the letters, so I'm going to go with this, I think it's baby wiper paper towel. Can't tell, it's so mutilated. And just try to wipe it off there. I take some of the olive gloss spray and sprinkle it on, but it goes kind of dark and, oh no, doesn't stand out like I hoped it would. So I'm going to add some scribble writing on here. It's not supposed to necessarily be too legible, but it does say the journey of 1,000 miles. It's the beginning of that quote. Journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. And I got a little heavy-handed when I was trying to wipe off the pink. So I have some white. I'm just painting a little bit of the olive on there. Kind of makes it rounded. It's alright. So I decide once that's dry to go back to this page and just put outlines around the word journey. I do end up adding a comet flying through the center because it looked like space, and I thought that would be a good one, Journey of a Comet. So we've got a Journey of a Man on one page and Journey of a Comet on the other page. And you'll see that in the photo at the end. Well, I hope you liked that. I hope if you've gotten some of her sprays that you are enjoying them. Try this technique. If you haven't, you might be tempted now. I'll see if I can find a link for them and put that in my description box. If you're interested, I do have an Amazon affiliate store. See, there it is with the comet. What do you think? Spacey? Yeah. The photo doesn't do it justice, I promise. And then there's the man. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me a comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.